Today we are gonna try to fix this. With this guy. Vulcan 205 Pro TIG Harbor Freight welder. I have used it before, but not for anything this thick. I think this is about as thick as it's gonna go. That looks like maybe 3/16 of an inch. So we're gonna give it a try. Got that pretty well cleaned up, I think. Please start. Let's see. I'm guessing this is gonna take pretty much all the power that it has. Goes up to 205 amps, okay. Put the gas on. AC TIG. Let's give it a try. It's gonna be a very awkward position. Very tough position. That's about as awkward as it gets. Before I go too crazy, I want to try to close this gap up a little bit. See if this holds. Ugh. That's what happens when you have a high pressure tack and then you heat it back up. You'll break it. Now I'm gonna try to get these ones cleaned up. Could have used a little bit more power on that one, but I might run a second bead in here. Just dropped my torch about 12 feet off the top of this truck. Somehow nothing broke. Okay, it looks like it did pretty good. It's a little dirty spot right there, but couldn't get it as clean as I wanted it to, but. All right, so the welder performed really well. I'll switch you around here. Not the best looking welds in the world, but I could not get myself into a good position. But it burnt right through that stuff super easy. Typically you don't weld downhill, especially with aluminum TIG, because there's nothing for your puddle to like really settle on, and everything just kind of falls out below it. So you really have to kind of fight it and finagle it to work. But as you can see, the welds came out decent. Not the greatest. It's a tight spot. Pretty much in here on a ladder. I had my foot pedal here. 1 foot there, 1 foot there. But yeah, pretty good. I actually had to turn the welder down to 190 amps, and it still burned through that stuff really easy. So it's got plenty of power, not a lot of adjustability, but the stock setting seems pretty good. So yeah, not too bad. Let's get this bad boy back where it came from. Thank you for watching. I hope that helped somebody out, and see you next time.